Welcome to the Fem Prepper channel, where women come to get information to be more prepared. In today's video, I will do a loadout of my Maxpedition Zip Hook Pocket Organizer. I did a video explaining all the different sizes and colors that they have, and I will list it in the description below or in the iCard at the top. This particular pocket organizer has a 1050 denier water and abrasion resistant lightweight ballistic nylon fabric. It also has YKK zippers and zipper track and a Teflon fabric protector. This particular size has dimensions of overall length 5 inches, width 1.75 inches, and height of 7 inches. The main compartment and the smaller compartment have smaller dimensions, but I have those dimensions all in the previous video that goes over all the different sizes. Let's get started. On the outside, I have a hair clip with some hair bands that while you're out and about, you never know, you might need to put your hair up for whatever reason. Not want to have to deal with it anymore. It also has molly webbing on the back, and it also has a opening to thread your headphones in. It has a hook that you can attach to a backpack or possibly hang from a tree if you are camping. It also has these loops that you can put a strap on and make it hands-free at this point. So let's start at the top. First off, we have an N95 mask. During these times of a pandemic, it's always good to have a mask with you, in addition to some vinyl gloves. I also keep a Silcock key. This is good if you live in an urban area and for whatever reason you need water. You can use this. It has different sizes that a commercial building will have a water spigot on the outside of it. Now, you can't just use this at your leisure. You have to either get permission from the building, or if it's an emergency situation, then you might be able to use it, but you can't just go and steal water from buildings or businesses. But this is good to have in an emergency situation. Considering I have 3 kids, I keep a toilet cover with me, because you never know, at the most opportune times they need to use the restroom. So I'd like to keep a portable one in case the toilet is really nasty. So there's that. I also keep a payday. This is just if you're out and about and you're really hungry. The peanuts are a type of protein which will help you stay, get fuller longer, and it's just nice to have as a sweet option as well. You never know, if you're in a stressful situation, that might come in handy. I also have an Anchor Boulder flashlight. This flashlight is about 300 lumens, and I normally keep the Energizer lithium batteries in there if I'm going to continue to have it stored in the flashlight, because those particular batteries are not supposed to leak. So normal batteries I would not keep stored in here, but the lithium batteries I do. I also keep 3 extra batteries which are not stored in the flashlight. These are just extras if needed. I also have a notebook to take notes. I have a pen and a Sharpie to write notes. I have a lighter as a fire starting capability. In my zipper pocket, I keep a tweezer, a nail file, a small little scissor, and a nail clipper. Because ladies, when you have a nail situation, sometimes that can turn into an emergency. And it is very nice to have clippers or a nail file if you break a nail. I also have a bandana, multiple uses for that. I also keep a little envelope that I keep my money in. Keep a few dollars in there just to have for emergencies. In my smaller compartment, I like to keep a whistle attached to my hook. You can always use a whistle in an emergency, or if you just don't feel safe. I have another lighter because fire is so important. 2 is 1 and 1 is none. I also have a lip balm. I have some zip ties. I have hand sanitizer, which is invaluable these days. I also keep a few sunscreen, trial size sunscreen that are really easy to store. I have an emergency blanket in case I need some type of warmth or shelter. And I also have a little mini medical kit. In this medical kit, I have eye drops. I have alcohol wipes, antiseptic wipes, triple antibiotic ointment, iodine pads, and different sizes of bandages. And I also have these non-adherent pads. These actually don't have any sticky surface on here, which means that, you know, it can be used for a larger wound. And with that, I normally keep some duct tape with me as well, which I wrap around a small card. And the duct tape can serve as the sticky part for that particular type of bandage. And the baggie that the first aid kit is carried in can also be used to gather water should you need a container. So these are all of the items that I carry in my Maxpedition zip hook pocket organizer in the size mini. And these are the items that I keep in my glove compartment just to have, in addition to my vehicle emergency kit. So this is just something that I keep in the actual car, not the trunk where I keep the emergency kit at. I will do a future video showing all the items that I keep in the trunk. In the comments below, please let me know if you have a vehicle kit. And if so, what are some of the items you keep in there? As I always like to learn from the community, and we all can teach each other something. If you found any value in this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.